Hello students, today we are going to see 10th standard maths chapter 6 exercise 6.1. First question, prove the following identities. First one is cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta cosecant theta. First we have to take the LHS. So what is in LHS? LHS is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Now let us change this. We have to change this cot theta cos theta by sin theta and here sin theta by cos theta. So cot theta, instead of cot theta you have to change cos theta divided by sin theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now you have to take the LCM of these two. So what is the LCM? That is sin theta cos theta. So take the LCM, that is sin theta cos theta. So cross multiply cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the value for cos square theta plus sin square theta? That is 1. So 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. You have to split into two ways, that is 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So what is 1 by sin theta? That is cosecant theta, and what is 1 by cos theta? Secant theta. So cosecant theta secant theta. So that is equal to, that is you have to change the secant theta into cosecant theta, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. The second question is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Now let us take the LHS. So what is in LHS? That is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. We have to take the tan square theta common. If you take common for tan square theta, what is the remaining term? 1 tan square is there. So tan square theta plus 1. So that is equal to, what is tan square theta minus 1 plus 1? That is secant square theta. So you have to change this tan square theta into secant square theta. So according to this we have to change, that is what is tan square theta? That is secant square theta minus 1. That is the formula. Secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta. Now you have to multiply by secant square theta. We will get secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta, that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Both are equal. Tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. The second question, first 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Let us take the LHS. What is in LHS? That is 1 minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1. So 1 minus tan square theta is sin square theta divided by cos square theta divided by, what is cos square theta? That is cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus 1. Now let us take this LCM for this term numerator, that is cos square theta, numerator cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by, what is in the LCM? That is sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So you have to take it, this is for the reciprocal. So that is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta into sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here cos square theta minus sin square theta cancel. What are the remaining terms? Sin square theta by cos square theta. So that is equal to tan square theta. So that is equal to RHS, hence proved. The next question. Cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Let us take the LHS. What is in LHS? That is cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So, rationalize the denominator, that is you have to find out what is the conjugate of this following, that is 1 plus sin theta means conjugate is 1 minus sin theta. So, multiply and divide by conjugate. So, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So, that is equal to cos theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 plus sin theta is a plus b into a minus b means 1 minus sin theta. So that is equal to, you have to multiply this cos theta minus cos theta sin theta divided by 1a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. So let us take this, that is cos theta is common into 1 minus or cos theta minus cos theta sin theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Let us split this cos theta divided by cos square theta means 1 cos theta cancel. So here cos theta cancel means 1 by cos theta minus cos theta sin theta divided by cos square theta means 1 cos theta and cos theta cancel. So here sin theta divided by cos theta. So that is equal to 1 by cos theta value secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta value tan theta. So that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Let us see the third sum. First question, 1 root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. You have to multiply and divide by conjugate. So 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So that is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta the whole square divided by here a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square theta. So that is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta the whole square divided by cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. So here square and here also square, the root will be cancelled. So that is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So you have to split this 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So that is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is secant theta, plus sin theta by cos theta, we will get tan theta. So that is equal to RHS, hence proved. The next sum is 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta root of, plus root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 secant theta. So for this one, already in the previous sum we found out, that is what is the answer for root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. We have already learnt in the previous sum. So instead of this you have to write secant theta plus tan theta. We already found out. So let us see this one. So root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So you have to multiply, divide by conjugate 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So that is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin theta the whole square, because 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Here a plus b into a minus b, so 1 minus sin square theta root of. So that is equal to 1 minus sin theta the whole square divided by cos square theta root of. So that is equal to 1 minus, the root will be cancelled. So 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So what is 1 minus 1 by cos theta? That is secant theta minus tan theta. So for the first one we have to take it as that is equal to secant theta plus tan theta, again plus secant theta minus tan theta. So secant theta, tan theta minus tan theta cancel. So secant theta plus secant theta, 2 secant theta. So 2 secant theta is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.